For comprehensive fire alarm references, consider firstly NFPA 72, the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code. This is the official National Fire Protection Association code that governs the design, installation, and maintenance of fire alarm systems and is an essential reference for all fire alarm professionals. Secondly, the Fire Alarm Design Guide. This is a comprehensive guide to fire alarm system design, including system types, detectors, panels, and communication methods. Thirdly, the Fire Alarm Handbook. This is an in-depth technical reference covering all aspects of fire alarm systems, from basic concepts to advanced technologies. Fourthly, Fire Alarm Systems, a guide to design and implementation. This is a practical guide to designing and installing fire alarm systems in various types of buildings. Fifthly, Modern Fire Alarm Systems. This covers the latest technologies and trends in fire alarm systems, including IP-based systems, wireless devices, and mass notification. Sixthly, the NFPA Handbook of Fire Alarm Technology. This is a comprehensive reference on fire alarm technology, including detectors, signaling devices, communication systems, and more. Seventhly, the Fire Alarm System Design Manual by Underwriters Laboratories. This is a detailed guide to designing and installing fire alarm systems that meet Underwriters Laboratories standards. Eighthly, the Fire Alarm Code Handbook. This includes code-compliant designs for various types of buildings, along with commentary and explanations. Ninthly, the Fire Protection Handbook by the National Fire Protection Association. This is a comprehensive encyclopedia of fire protection topics, including a section on fire alarm systems. And tenthly, Fire Safety Design and Technology. This covers the design and implementation of fire safety systems, including fire alarm systems. These resources provide a solid foundation for understanding and working with fire alarm systems, covering everything from basic principles to advanced technologies and code compliance. NFPA 72 is the cornerstone for understanding the requirements and best practices for fire alarm systems. Its comprehensive coverage ensures that professionals have access to the most up-to-date information on design, installation, and maintenance. The Fire Alarm Design Guide offers practical insights into system types, detectors, panels, and communication methods, making it an invaluable tool for designing effective and reliable fire alarm systems. The Fire Alarm Handbook provides an in-depth technical reference covering basic concepts and advanced technologies. This resource is essential for professionals seeking a thorough understanding of fire alarm systems. Fire Alarm Systems, a guide to design and implementation, offers a practical approach to designing and installing fire alarm systems in various types of buildings. This guide provides hands-on knowledge and real-world examples, making it an excellent resource for both beginners and experienced professionals. Modern Fire Alarm Systems covers the latest technologies and trends, including IP-based systems, wireless devices, and mass notification. This resource is essential for staying up to date with the rapidly evolving field of fire alarm systems. The NFPA Handbook of Fire Alarm Technology offers a comprehensive reference on fire alarm technology, including detectors, signaling devices, communication systems, and more. This handbook provides detailed information and practical guidance for fire alarm professionals. The Fire Alarm System Design Manual by Underwriters Laboratories offers a detailed guide to designing and installing fire alarm systems that meet Underwriters Laboratories standards. This manual is essential for ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. The Fire Alarm Code Handbook includes code-compliant designs for various types of buildings, along with commentary and explanations. This handbook simplifies the process of understanding and applying fire alarm codes. The Fire Protection Handbook by the National Fire Protection Association is a comprehensive encyclopedia of fire protection topics, including a section on fire alarm systems. This handbook provides a broad overview of fire protection principles and practices. Fire Safety Design and Technology covers the design and implementation of fire safety systems, including fire alarm systems. This resource offers a comprehensive approach to fire safety, integrating fire alarm systems with other safety measures. Each of these books and resources provides valuable information and guidance for fire alarm professionals. By utilizing these resources, professionals can ensure that they are equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to design, install, and maintain effective and reliable fire alarm systems. Remember to always refer to the latest edition of NFPA 72 and other relevant codes and standards to ensure compliance. Additionally, consider attending training courses and seminars to stay up to date with the latest technologies and best practices in the field of fire alarm systems. A strong understanding of fire alarm systems is crucial for protecting lives and property. By investing in these resources and continuing your professional development, you can contribute to a safer and more secure environment. These books offer a wealth of information on fire alarm systems, covering everything from basic principles to advanced technologies. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out in the field, these resources will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. The key to mastering fire alarm systems is to combine theoretical knowledge with practical experience. By studying these books and applying what you learn in real-world situations, you can develop a deep understanding of fire alarm systems and their role in protecting lives and property. In addition to these books, there are many other resources available to fire alarm professionals, including online forums, industry publications, and professional organizations. By staying connected to the fire alarm community, you can continue to learn and grow throughout your career. The design and installation of fire alarm systems is a complex and challenging field, but it is also a rewarding one. By dedicating yourself to learning and mastering this field, you can make a significant contribution to the safety and well-being of your community. Consider exploring the specific requirements for different types of buildings and occupancies. For example, high-rise buildings, healthcare facilities, and industrial plants may have unique fire alarm system requirements that are not covered in general guides. Understanding these specific requirements is essential for designing and installing effective fire alarm systems in these types of buildings. The role of detectors in fire alarm systems is critical. Different types of detectors, such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, and flame detectors, are designed to detect different types of fires. Choosing the right type of detector for a particular application is essential for ensuring that the fire alarm system will respond quickly and effectively to a fire. Signaling devices, such as horns, strobes, and speakers, are used to alert occupants of a fire. The placement and audibility of signaling devices are important considerations in the design of a fire alarm system. Communication systems are used to transmit signals from the fire alarm system to the fire department or other monitoring station. The reliability and security of the communication system are essential for ensuring that the fire department is notified promptly in the event of a fire. The integration of fire alarm systems with other building systems, such as HVAC systems and elevator systems, is becoming increasingly common. This integration can improve the effectiveness of the fire alarm system and enhance the overall safety of the building. Regular testing and maintenance of fire alarm systems are essential for ensuring that they will function properly in the event of a fire. NFPA 72 provides detailed requirements for testing and maintenance of fire alarm systems. Staying informed about the latest technologies and trends in fire alarm systems is essential for staying ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving field. IP-based systems, wireless devices, and mass notification systems are just a few of the technologies that are transforming the fire alarm industry. Continuous learning and professional development are essential for fire alarm professionals. By attending training courses, reading industry publications, and participating in professional organizations, you can stay up to date with the latest technologies, codes, and best practices in the field. The fire alarm industry is constantly evolving, so it is important to be a lifelong learner. By staying curious and seeking out new knowledge, you can ensure that you are always providing the best possible service to your clients and community. The ultimate goal of a fire alarm system is to save lives and protect property. By dedicating yourself to learning and mastering the field of fire alarm systems, you can play a vital role in achieving this goal. Remember that the design and installation of fire alarm systems is a complex process that requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a thorough understanding of applicable codes and standards. By following these guidelines and continuously seeking out new knowledge, you can ensure that you are providing the best possible fire protection for your community. Always prioritize safety and compliance in every aspect of your work. The lives and well-being of others depend on it. The books listed are a great starting point, but always consult with local authorities and experts to ensure that your fire alarm system designs meet all applicable requirements.